So let's say I want to embed this YouTube video into my page over here in Blackboard. To do that, let's switch on our edit mode. Go to the YouTube page, click on share, click on embed, and that's the code we want. So let's go ahead and highlight this. Right click, do a copy, go back to our page, and we want to click on the source code. Click that, and then let's place that embed code over here. I'll do a paste, and then I'll hit save, and you can see the video has been embedded here. So let's go ahead and publish this to see how it looks. Turn off our edit mode. That's what it looks like. Your YouTube video has been embedded.